Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can use Office app on your web version. If you have deleted it by mistake or while resetting your PC, as I did before, I was resetting my PC at my home instead of taking it to the computer center, and it ended with a mess of deleting all the Microsoft apps like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and many. So then I went back to the computer center and installed all the apps back. Until then, what was I doing? That's what I'm going to explain today. That's For that I'm gonna use an app called Office, which is provided by Microsoft to use web version. So here I can also click it and no blank presentation, as I already have a presentation. Sorry, or blank document. Actually, I have Word in my desktop, so it's opening the desktop version of Word. But if I don't, it will not open. Okay, so let's see how you can access what are the features available in all the apps. I will soon post some videos related to that. And here today, if I click here, you'll go to my desktop app. You can see all the apps here. In all apps you can see Power Automate and People, but Power Automate I don't have at my desktop, so it's opening at browser. You have some different apps for organizations, but you can also use it for personal use. That is like one of it is Power BI, and Teams is also usable for personal use, but you have to sign in with your phone number in your phone, and then you have to go ahead and sign in your computer. So I'll just go ahead and see some apps. That is Power Business Intelligence, Power BI Desktop. So if I type Power BI, it's showing two options. One is Power BI, this one, and another is Power BI Desktop. Power BI, what is the difference between those two is, this one is only usable with an organizational ID. So it's just less MB in size. And if you see Power BI Desktop, you can also use it with your personal account. I already have this app. You can see it's approximately 1.59 GBs. So it's it is little high, but anyway, you get some awesome features, right? You can use it with your personal account. You can just manage many things. So personal account stuff, organizational account is not required. So many apps are provided by Microsoft, but you cannot open it within your you know desktop. Web version 2. Web version of Power BI also needs organizational ID. Power BI Desktop does not need it. So I get Outlook, and People is nothing but an app inside Outlook, so it shows it here. But you can see the picture of two men, something doodle it. So I don't have any contacts. Actually, I have not added anyone. So just let's go ahead. And you have Skype here. I have Skype ID too, and publishers and PowerPoint, many apps. I have desktop version, so it opened it by default. So let's jump into the web version which we require. That is in Microsoft Edge. I'm using it by default. So you also have rewards. Rewards is nothing but rewards is an app which gives you points. It is in app launcher. You go ahead and click on all apps, and you can see rewards more from Microsoft. So rewards is nothing but you get some points while using Microsoft products. So using that points, you can buy some gift cards, or even if you score some 25,000 to 30,000 points, you get some Office 365 too. How crazy, right? So anyway, it's not our topic today. This is about privacy. That's our safeguarding our privacy. And this Amazon is a news. You can go to settings and see her information, and that shows up some of Yes. And over here I see OneNote, Outlook, and People, PowerPoint, Way, and all the apps I have. You can also launch Office from this, clicking here. Or if you are using a default browser as Chrome, you can use office.com website name. You just go ahead and type office.com. So I have signed in with my ID. So here I can create same like in the desktop version. You can go ahead and see all apps here. The same apps are already given in the version of desktop. Um, Nothing special difference between those, but it uses desktop apps. If you have, or else this will use the apps. So here is my another ID. This is another one. I have some 4 mails only, but the ID which I normally use for my use is having a lot of mails. Some 200, 300, more than 300 mails. So you can also, it will show an option for 1 out of 6 complete, that is get Outlook mobile app. So to get that you can just click on it. I already clicked that once while trying to get downloaded for my mobile. You can just go to the Play Store and search it for Outlook. You have all the countries, most of the countries, not all, but you have most of the countries plus 1 plus 4 for in UK, Thailand plus 66, and more many. And if you give your phone number, I'm from India, so I'll select India and give some my phone number. Actually, this is not my real phone number, just I'm typing. Okay. So if I give 1 2 3 4 5 9 6 7 8, actually this is my number. If I give and select send link, what it will do is it will just send me the link for downloading the app. You can just click on the link to download it. You can also, instead of giving your phone numbers and those things and searching in messages, you can just go ahead and scan this QR code given here. This is how the desktop version looks amount, and get it on Google Play. If you say click on this, you can see that. So, and you can download it in App Store too. So you have it. If you click this, it's not opening for me. Anyway, you can just go ahead and search. So I'll just bring up, close this. You can also choose your confirm time zone, import contacts from people, and send a message, upgrade to Microsoft 365. You can just click on this to upgrade it to Microsoft 365. You can also try the premium, and you should also give your account number and details for trying it for free. And that is because after you sign in and use it for free trial, you should not but paying and using this. So for safety, Microsoft gets your ID, all your details of your account. So I'll just close off. So you can send a message, you can send a new email to your friend or someone. So it has already given a subject for it. So my new email address putindavid13@outlook.com, and hello, I have a new outlook.com account. My email address is putindavid13@outlook.com. Please update your contact list with my new email address so that we can stay in touch. You can send it to many people. You can see carbon copy and blind carbon copy over here, and many other features are there. But features are a little less when compared to desktop versions. And you have Skype here, which I already have Skype, and also, as I said before, and you can also create a survey. And I will show you some of the missing features in this version. And I go ahead and see in Excel. Actually, I am using it for first time after a long period. So it's asking me for signing in. Actually, so let me sign in. It's not that tough, right? Just next. Yeah, okay. It has opened a book for me online. You can see the title as book Excel SX Microsoft Excel online. Yeah, You can see it here, you can see this plus icon, something more and more. So go ahead and you can share this workbook, comments on this workbook, and you can see the interface is just totally like how it will be on desktop version. But the only thing is it does not have most of the features, not less, it is most. And if you right click on it, nothing will appear. You can add a developer tab. I think maybe you can add it here. It's not, it's just a legends sir. You cannot use those many different features without you cannot record a macro here. You can just under data you don't have data tools some, and outline some, sort and filter you have some terms, you don't have advanced filter too, and stocks and your maps okay, and formulas. So in your desktop version, when compared to them, they have very less features. So I'll just show a comparison of this formulas tab alone. I'll just make it to the right side and pin it to the left side. This left side work thing is the online version, and the right side thing is the desktop version of PowerPoint. I mean Excel. You can see insert function, auto sum, recently used, financial, logical, text, date and time, and many other features over here. But you have one here, you have only calculation options, calculate workbook, and only very less features. Under page layout I have some more features, some 10 to 15 features over here, but you have only page setup option here. Maybe it will cover some less topics inside it maybe. So you can see in insert tab you have some 10 features here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, some 15 features it has. But you can see how many pie charts and recommend charts, pivot charts, and hyperlink, and many features you have in the desktop version. I recommend you to use desktop version, which is the best. But no need to see about the best. For emergency you can use this version. There's a web version of Office. So that's what is about Excel. And Word I have already showed. PowerPoint has another option of designer. This is the only advantage of using your web version. That is, if you open your PowerPoint, you see in the latest version a new feature has come out called the designer, and the designer feature is very useful, and I have made a video on that, how to use designer feature in PowerPoint. So you can just see it. I've already posted a video on it. You can see it for sure. I'll give the link in the description for all the videos I have posted before. So here you can put try now, and you can see my designs are very good. See, you can download a video from the net and also do it, but it has given me a good option of doing it. So here I get my 10 seconds video in it. I'll just play it. Let's look how it looks. Click the play button over here. I'll click it. See how crazy. Wow, nice, right? Looks pretty good. So this stuff advantages of using PowerPoint and the web version apps. Some latest features will be available in that. And you have calendar, to do, and other OneDrive, OneNote, and the apps which we know by default already. So that's all about the web versions of the apps. You can also have Bing for your explanation. That's our search engine like Google. It's something very quick. If I immediately open, okay, let's close this. It's not required for us now. If I immediately open and type OFFS, now I have started typing. It took the command which I took before it opened itself. I have started typing, but it took the command. It's very quick and clean observer. Yeah. So that's all I have for you today. Today's topic, and today's topic came to an end. That is using the web version of all the apps. Hope this helps you. Now you can easily access the latest versions for free. Hope this video helped you. Please share it to your friends. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel to get latest updates on my videos I post. Alright, so that's the end of our video. Hope to see you next time. Bye.